Are you reading? Are you reading a story? What did it say?
Honk.
Honk? Who said honk?
It's honk. Take a picture.
Look at pictures? Oh, take a picture. You tell Mama take a picture? Mama wants to see you read your story. You read it to Mama?
Honk.
Honk! Who said honk?
Tuck, tuck.
Said the Chuck?
Don't tuck.
Yeah.
Don't tuck.
Yeah.
Don't tuck. Don't tuck.
What happened to the dump truck?
Mud don't tuck.
Mud?
Mud don't tuck.
He got stuck in the mud? You don't like that? Who helped him out?
Honk.
Honk, cried the dump.
Tuck good. Nobody cared.
Nobody cared, you're right. He cried honk and nobody cared. Except for who? Who helped him out?
Blue tuck.
Blue truck, you're right.
Blue tuck.
Blue truck helped him out. Is it a good story?
Blue tuck comes them out.
Blue truck helped him out.
Mud.
Yeah, he was stuck in the mud.